Recover WhatsApp deleted messages. There are a few different methods you can try to recover deleted WhatsApp messages. Check your phone's recycle bin or trash folder. If you accidentally deleted a message from within WhatsApp, it may still be recoverable from your phone's recycle bin or trash folder. Subscribe to my tech channel to stay up to date on the latest trends and innovations in the tech industry. Restore from a local backup. If you have a local backup of your WhatsApp messages on your phone, you may be able to restore the deleted messages by uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp and selecting the option to restore from a local backup when prompted. Restore from a Google Drive backup. If you have a Google Drive backup of your WhatsApp messages, you may be able to restore the deleted messages by uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp, selecting the option to restore from a Google Drive backup when prompted, and choosing the correct backup file. Use a third-party recovery tool. There are various third-party tools available that claim to be able to recover deleted WhatsApp messages. Some of these tools may be able to recover messages that are not recoverable using the methods above. However, it is important to be cautious when using third-party tools, as some of them may be unreliable or potentially harmful to your device. It is important to note that the chances of successfully recovering deleted WhatsApp messages depend on various factors, such as the age of the deleted messages and the type of phone you are using. In some cases, it may not be possible to recover deleted messages at all. By subscribing, you'll have access to exclusive content and expert insights that will help you stay ahead of the curve.